Funny Tummy TV.
The duckling and the mouse come out of the house. They ride an electric scooter to go to the market. They drive through a busy road on their way to the supermarket. They park the electric scooter and get off. They enter the supermarket and grab a trolley each to start shopping. They push their trolleys inside the supermarket. A friendly supermarket staff helps them with their shopping. They fill their trolleys with food, biscuits, cheese, and bamboo sticks. With their trolleys full, they push them towards the electric scooter. They somehow manage to load all shopping items in the scooter's front carriage. They drive back home on the electric scooter. Upon reaching home, they carry all the shopping items inside together. The story highlights a fun and adorable shopping adventure of the duckling and the mouse filled with teamwork and friendship.